Well, hi everybody, welcome back. It's Jenny and we're back in the store and we're going to tell you about a few really good laundry deals and you want to know. So please like it, share it on your way in. Really easy to do. Just look below and hit that share icon and then hit that Facebook icon. And there you go. Thank you for sharing. I truly love and appreciate you for doing that. And of course, allow the video to play all the way to the end. That's super important, not just for me, but for everybody that is a subscriber, because it affects the notifications. And leave us a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, every day you're not here, well, you're losing money that you could be putting back in your pocket. So go ahead and subscribe. Do it now, that way you don't forget. Alright, everybody. Like I said, laundry deals. We got 3 different laundry deals going on. We have got a Save 5 instant savings on OxiClean, and we've got 3 different manufactured coupons. We have a $2 off this product. Okay. The $2 off will also work on this product. It's the same $2. Now, if you have the Arm & Hammer pods, which we don't have any here because I think they clearanced out, but if you do have them in your store, you have a $2 off coupon for them, and you have a $2 coupon for your $4 and your $6 crystals. So you have 3 different manufactured coupons that you can use with your instant savings. So that's a total of $11 on a $20 purchase. So that's that deal. Now, we also have the PG. When you spend $30, you're going to save $10 on your next purchase on PG. And PG, of course, is Gain. And again, it is a spend coupon, so you must spend $30. But then you have coupons, like this one here, where you buy 2, get 1 free. Okay. And then we have the big Gain down here with a $3 off manufactured coupon. So, yeah, there's lots of ways that you can do, any of these deals. And down below here, we also have the $14 Arm & Hammer as well. That will work with the Arm & Hammer deal. Now, of course, we have our for sale and all deal. We have all products. We have a $2 off the 12 all. So you can pick up that. And then we have the Snuggle. You can pick up the Snuggle to go with that, and you'll be at $15. And I do believe, let's see, so that'll give you $5 off, so $10 on those 2 items. That's still a winner, because your all was $12. So if you can get it cheaper, that's even better. But you could it'd be a little bit more out of pocket, but you could actually do the for sale with a $1.50 coupon and the $12 all. So you'd be getting $6.50 off that transaction. So it's still going to be about $10, but different products. And remember, on any of on this deal right here, earns do not work. And in some cases, it is better to do the earn deal, just get all your earns off the products, than it is to save the extra $3. So that actually might work for you better with this deal, because the earns are really good. You have a $3 earn off of the large all. You have $2 earns, a $1.50 earns on the all products. So all 3 of those deals would work out if you're doing laundry. Okay? Laundry deals. So whichever one is your choice. These right here. Okay? we're going to pick up some of these because you're getting back $2 in earns that you can use on something else. Alright, I was wrong on the limit. The limit is 2. Okay? So basically you'd be paying $2 and making $4. So, good deal still, no matter what. But your limit is 2, not 5. Oh, they've added to their spring collection. Look at the pillows. Aren't they so cute? That is just too cute. That one too. That is just something else. Too cute. What do we have here? These are runners. Got my glass butter dish still. Oh, and look at these. These are like kind of like beach colors. The little flamingo cushion. New glass. Oh, lots of flamingo stuff. Oh my god, look at the little flamingo. $3 is just, yeah, that's just too cute. Oh, $6 bath towels. These are pretty decent bath towels. They'll be $3 when they do go on clearance. We got more cups. These cups have such cute designs. I wish I could get... I mean, how many of these can you actually have? You know what I mean? They're just too cute, though. They got my shoe back. Yep, maybe I'll get one this year. And I love these little fake plants. It's a green dot. So all the little things I like is green dot. And then we have the strawberry center. We have lots of little strawberry stuff for summer. Little candle scentsy thing there. Little strawberry sign. Those red... This is a red crock tote. Those things evidently are real popular right now. Well, that is a red Dollar General version. Looks like they have the purple Dollar General version as well. These heavy-duty plastic beach bags, I guess. You know, waterproof. I don't know which one I'd like more. And then we got some Crocs, of course. The little... Oh, Huggies little swimmers are out. And our summer plastic wear. Oh, we've got some new little flower things. These are kind of cute. Little flower panels. Now, when it comes to that P&G coupon, getting diapers is one of the quickest and easiest way to use that coupon. So if you have a baby, you know, come on down, get diapers, spend $30 on getting your diapers and whatever else you need, and then you'll get $10 off your next purchase that you can use to buy food with. And it's razor stock up time. We have got a $3 off the Schick or Skin Mate razors. They are $6. Okay, these are $6. So if you have more than one account, then you could pick you up, well, more than one of those. Wow, look at the new Old Spice. Look how big that is. That is scent of patchouli. I bet that smells good. But it's twice the size of your regular Old Spice deodorants. Or at least it appears to be. Okay, there's your Pert shampoo down there at the bottom. That is what is giving you that instant savings in an earn. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for our little walkthrough tonight. Oh, look how cute these are. Look at that, little stars. That's really cute. So yeah, I think we're done with our little walkthrough tonight. I love you bunches, and I'll see you next video with more deals, steals, and scenarios. Blessings.